This is Ed Nelms welcoming you to another segment of I Love My Car's Attention to Detail. In this segment, we're going to give attention to cleaning mats and cleaning interiors, the seats, and the carpets. We're going to begin with the mats. Generally, that's a chore that a lot of people don't like to fool with because they just don't have the know-how. And that's why we're going to show you what you need to do today. There's two different methods or products you can use in cleaning mats and interiors. The first one we're going to look at is Yellow Obliterator. This is an all-purpose cleaner. It has more of a soap and a solvent base rather than a caustic base. So if you're a do-it-yourselfer, a serious do-it-yourselfer, you can use this product repeatedly without it damaging or causing your fabric on your seats or on your mats to weaken. And then we're also going to use this particular product. This is a more convenient product, the I Love My Car Velour Upholstery and Carpet Cleaner. You're going to see how both of them work. And we're going to use a carpet machine, which is actually a right angle drill. This is a keyless chuck. That's what I prefer using in this particular operation. So we're going to start by using the economical Yellow Obliterator. Now, you can see this particular piece of carpet has a very obvious stain, and this is typical. Normally what we'll do when we're cleaning a piece of carpet is we'll brush it off first. Some individuals choose to vacuum. But we're going to brush it off, get most of our debris off, dirt, sand, and so forth. And then it's easier when you're using the Yellow Obliterator to hold the mat up, because when you're leaning it over, sometimes your spray bottle will suck air and you won't get any product out. But if you hold your mat up and then you spray, you can get a nice even pattern and nice even coverage. And this is where the amazing part comes in when you use the rotary brush and the carpet brush. With slow, even strokes, and after you've worked the product in, you've suspended the dirt. And what you'll need to do at that particular point, since the dirt is basically suspended, you're going to have to transfer it. I use a microfiber towel, a damp microfiber towel, and we just rub it, turn it over, and a key to knowing whether or not you've got your mat completely clean is, in many instances, when there's really, really deep down ground in dirt, your towel will be chocolate. It'll be dark. But when you can wipe over your mat and you see that your microfiber towel stays pretty clean, then you know that you've gotten almost all the dirt out. Now, do you remember what we started with this particular mat? Look at the way it is right now, the way it's been cleaned. This is typical of what you're going to find. This too is typical of what you're going to find. Little grease spots, dirt. We again brush it. And this time we're going to use the economical or the convenient method of cleaning, the aerosol. I still like to hold it up so that I can get good even coverage. And as you'll see later, when you're dealing with the seats in the car, maybe the carpet, it's easier. You can see where you're starting to get some brown tinge in the brush. If you ever need to clean the brush, just stick it in the water, face up, spin it, and you see how clean it is? That's what you want to do when you want to clean that brush. Again, we're going to rinse our microfiber towel, just so it's damp. The dirt is suspended. We're going to go ahead and transfer it. Do you remember what we started with? Now in Georgia, we have situations like this, where you've got clay that's been ground into the fabric. I'm going to demonstrate again. We brush first. I'm going to use the yellow obliterator. Again, hold it up. Get you a good spread pattern. Even with some of your most stubborn stains, if you have the right product and the right system, you can still clean it very well. Remember what we started with, and look at the results you get with a yellow obliterator. We're also going to show you I'm going to clean the brush again. We're going to show you the velour and upholstery and carpet cleaner on the same type stains. The products have an excellent formulation that lifts dirt, suspend it, and then it makes it easy for you to transfer the dirt out. Again, we're going to transfer the dirt because it's suspended, but it couldn't go anywhere. Look at the results. So when it comes to cleaning mats, there's always technique, there's always product. You can get the best one at I Love My Car. Again, that's yellow obliterator for interiors and also the aerosol upholstery carpet cleaner. This is Ed Nelms again in another segment of I Love My Car's Attention to Detail, demonstrating to you how to clean your mats, and we're also going to do our interiors.